Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Let's begin with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block, tap on it, and go to the info icon. Tap on the three dots icon and tap on block contact. Your device will ask if you really want to do it because you'll no longer receive calls or texts from that number. Tap on block if you're ready. As you can see, the icon indicates it's blocked. You can unblock it the same way by tapping unblock contact. Let me leave it like this to show you how to access the blacklist and check if the number is saved there. There's another way to block a number. Tap the three dots icon in the upper right corner from Contacts, Recents, or Keypad. Go to Settings and select Block Numbers. We've entered the blacklist and that's the number we blocked from contacts, so the previous option works. Here you can also open your contact list and block multiple numbers, or go to Recents and block numbers there. You can tap this section, enter a number, and tap the plus icon to add it to the block list. At the top you have the option to block calls from unknown numbers, which you can toggle on and off. To unblock a number, tap the minus icon next to it. That will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up.